I'm always wearing my hair natural. You have to be confident in yourself to just rock what you've got. Hi, I'm Jamilah, and today I'm getting jumbo twists. But before you see my transformation, subscribe below. My current hair makes me feel super proud because it's voluminous, it is healthy and super strong because I've been sitting at the house, quarantined. So I'm really excited to see something different for once. I really want jumbo twists because I've never had them before. I've seen them on so many people. They look gorgeous. They look like these beautiful goddess, majestic like things, and I really want to try them out. Honestly, I'm not fearful about anything. I know this is gonna turn out great. I'm gonna look good, okay? And I am so excited.
Hi, I'm Sabrina. I'm a freelance hairstylist in Los Angeles, California. Some of my celebrity clients include Beyonce, Jennifer Lopez, and Kendall Jenner. I specialize in many different things. I do weaving, I do braiding, many different styles. So have you ever gotten jumbo twists before?
I haven't, no.
Oh, this is gonna be exciting.
Yeah.
Okay, you ready to get started?
I'm ready.
Awesome. So the first step is to subsection each section, parting it in the direction that she wants. And I would rubber band it at least a ½ inch away from the scalp. I would then take my extension and pull that hair through using the crochet needle. And then I would start the twisting process.
For my hair journey, typically I've just kept my hair pretty natural. I'm from Georgia, and so I've always been taught that your hair is your crown and your jewel that you carry. And so it's really important for me as a Southern belle to keep my hair as cute and as natural as possible. And so when I add a protective style, I like to try something that's also natural and also very complimentary, like the jumbo twist.
Jumbo twists can typically last up to a month, maybe a month and a half, depending on how well you take care of them. They're typically bigger parts and bigger twists. Literally, you're using a thicker amount of hair. We did a lot of jumbo twists on Black is King. We did on the dancers, and we also did some for the talent. Ever since then, I've been seeing a lot more jumbo twists and even braiding styles in general. Some tips to maintain your jumbo twists are to, for sure, wrap your hair at night. When you start noticing lots of flyaways, take a hot, wet cloth, lay it on the hair, and let it sit on the hair for about 10 to 15 seconds, and then take it off, and you'll notice that those hairs tend to relax. Don't go swimming, and just keep it out of your face. Messing with it will cause it to press more. Hair means art to me. I just realized a few years ago that it was my form of art. It means the world to me because it's my passion and literally became something that I love to do every single day. And I'm super excited that I get to do this for a living. I use Nairobi wrapping foam just to seal that hair in. Once I get all the way to the end, I would go on and do the edges. I would use any edge tamer and my edge brush, and I would start brushing or combing down the edges, do the design that we prefer, that she requests. In this case, we're doing small circles and little zigzags. So we're all finished. Do you want to see the finished product?
Yes, absolutely.
So you're just gonna look into the mirror to your right.
Oh my gosh! Do you see this? The edges, the swivel, the circle. Man, what island am I going to?
When you sleep at night, if you feel like it's too much hair, you can try to put it all into a top knot bun if you can. You know, maybe a little heavy, but it's going to be beneficial for your hair.
Bravo!
Thank you. You're so welcome.
How do I like these? I love these. I can't believe I took this long to finally get twists. These are so gorgeous.
Working with Jamilah was awesome. She's super sweet. Her hair was perfect. It was nice and long. It made it so easy for me to work with. And she was sweet, so it also made for the day to go by easy and smooth.
Sabrina is amazing. She's thoughtful, she's looking out, and she's so knowledgeable about her craft and very passionate about it. So really enjoyed speaking with her, learning from her, and spending all this time with her. The twists definitely give more of that goddess look. I never realized it, especially with the ombre that we have as well. You see this dip? All these dips. This is the first time I've had these dips. I want to do this every time. I don't know how, but I love this. Overall, I feel confident, happy, beautiful.
Thank you for watching Refinery29. To watch more videos, click here. To subscribe, click here.